All right, let's talk about the atomic symbol. Hydrogen, helium, neon, argon. They will have this atomic symbol. Looks like this. Okay. The atomic symbol. So X is the element symbol, like H for hydrogen, He for helium, Li for lithium. The Z, letter Z at the bottom, that's atomic number, and A tells you about the atomic mass in atomic mass unit, right? Or U or Dalton. Okay. So for instance, helium 2 and 4, or 4 and 2. The atomic number tells you about the number of protons. Okay, the number of protons. So 2 atomic number, that's 2 protons. Now, if this helium has 2 protons, how many electrons does it have? Give you a hint right here. This helium is neutral. 2 electrons. Right? So the atomic symbol tells you about the number of protons, and the number of electrons can be derived from the atomic number. Sometimes it's equal, sometimes it's not. Depends on the if helium is neutral or not neutral, has a charge. Okay, and the atomic mass. Right? If you still remember, so that 99.99% of the mass of an atom comes from the mass of proton plus neutron. All right. So this helium already have 2 protons. Who is the other 2? The neutron. Right? Basically, you can derive the number of neutrons from the atomic mass minus atomic number. Basically, that's all you do. Okay. All right. Let's try right here. So we have helium plus. So helium is this helium is we call it a cation, like cat meow, not cation. So cation, right? Cation. So this helium is has a plus 1 charge. It's a cation. And how many protons are there? 2, still 2. Atomic numbers tell you about the number of protons. 2 atomic number, 2 protons. Never change. If the atomic number changes, that's a different element. So hydrogen has 1, right? Lithium has 3, 4 is beryllium, 12 is carbon. So atomic number never ever change for an element. If the atomic number changes, you changes the element. Okay. All right. So atomic number 2. Protons, number of proton is 2. Now, how many electrons are there? Positive charge. Yep, just 1 electron. Right? So 2 proton, 1 electron. So you can these 2 don't cancel out. So proton dominate by 1 charge. So that's why we have plus 1 there. Okay, and number of neutrons. So this helium weighs 4 AMU. Right? So 2 is proton. The other 2 is a neutron. Same thing. All right, let's try helium as an anion, A-N-I-O-N, anion. Okay, not anion. So it's an anion. All right, so what is the number of proton? Atomic number is 2, proton is 2. Good. What about electron though? Well, if this helium were to be a neutral, so it's 3. Yeah, 3. Some of you answer 3. Yes, correct. If helium were to be neutral, it already have 2 electrons. But this guy has a minus charge, which means that electrons dominate by 1. So 3 to 2. So electrons dominate by 1. Okay? And the number of neutrons still the same too. All right. All right. A little bit about ion. So ion is an atom or molecule with charge. All right. So this one is lithium 6 and 3. All right. When this lithium loses 1 electron, all right. So lithium 6 and 3. So 3 proton, 3 electron, neutral. But when this lithium loses 1 electron, become lithium ion. So 3 proton, 2 electrons. Subtract that, the net charge is positive 1. So we call this lithium a cation. Okay, so it's a cation now. It's has charge. Now on the other hand, so neutral fluorine, 9 protons, 9 electrons. You can count it. When this fluorine obtain one electron. So got 10 electrons now. The net charge is minus 1. We call it a fluoride ion. It's an anion. So F minus. Okay. So this guy's an anion. A-N-I-O-N. And cation is C-A-T-I-O-N. All right. All right. Let's try this one. Do on your own and check your answer with me later. So just number of proton, neutron, and electron. Just to make sure that you can read the atomic symbol, basically. Okay.